really provides such a tight-knit net of support. I mean, I feel like in community I've been able to follow my passions safely, more so than any other time.
When I learn with a learning community, I find that it's actually easier for me to remember what we were learning because I have so many other people there that were actually also learning it and can help with the details and the small things. It's more fun, and definitely I think